Have you created a YouTube channel but you're just not getting views? You're really struggling to get people into your YouTube channel. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more views that much faster and start getting 400 views every single hour by following these simple tips. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do this and how you can do it too. Let's get into the video. How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Simplicity. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And if you're brand new to the channel, we're all about building your brand, business, and impact online through social media marketing. So maybe you want to quit that 9-to-5 job, start a side hustle, and turn your passion into a career, then consider subscribing and join the Creator Nation on learning just how you can do that. And make sure if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Really does help support the channel, helps us reach more and more people, and we can help people change their lives. Question of the day: let me know if you've started a YouTube channel and if you're getting the results that you're after. Let me know with a yes or no in the comment section down below. Now, this strategy is a pretty simple one, and it's one that I've been using for quite some time now, and it allows me to get views even when I sleep, and you can do the exact same thing. Now, this is only going to work if you are creating videos, you're creating high quality videos, and then you'll be able to use this strategy to keep doing the same thing and blow up on YouTube. Let's jump onto my iMac and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Alright guys, here I am on the YouTube homepage, and the very first thing we want to do is go ahead to our channel. So just click on your profile here and click on your channel. Now, the very first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find your popular videos, and then from there, this is going to help you determine what you should create another video on, because your previous video is doing quite well. Your popular videos can determine on a few things. What I want to do first is click on videos, and I'll show you what I mean. So once you're in there, you can actually click on sort by most popular, and this is going to show my most popular videos. So we have how to start a YouTube channel, how to get paid brand deals, can you make YouTube videos with your phone, YouTube SEO basics, advice for new YouTubers. You want to decide what topic you want to create videos on. In this particular example, I want to stick with my main topic of YouTube and talking all things about how to get more views and starting a brand new YouTube channel from zero. So the very first one that I think is going to be best for this is to choose start in 2020. So we want to go ahead and click on this one. So we click on it here, okay, and then we want to pause that, and we want to click on analytics. Okay, so then we want to click on reach, and then we want to scroll down to YouTube search, and we want to click on see more. So what this is going to show us is all of the keywords that we're ranking for in YouTube search. And this is really important because we need to find out what keywords are we ranking for that we didn't necessarily create a video on. So as we saw previously, this video was how to start a YouTube channel in 2020. Now, I don't want to create the exact same video, but I want to create a video similar to that on how to get more views and how to start a channel as a beginner. So let's see where we were ranking in YouTube search. We were getting views from how to start a YouTube channel, so that was for the same video. Starting a YouTube channel, start YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel, create YouTube channel, how to grow your channel from 0 subs. Okay, this is a perfect example of a keyword I would want to create a video on. So here we can see how to grow your channel from 0 subs. So this is a perfect example of a topic that I can create a video about that I already know YouTube is pushing out my videos for, and I know that this particular keyword I'm going to rank well on in YouTube search. And this is the key to getting 400 views every single hour on YouTube, is you need to see what keywords you're already ranking for and ride the wave, if you will, and get more views on those keywords that you're already ranking for. So that's why it's really important to look at your popular videos to see what videos YouTube is recognizing you for and seeing you as the authority in that particular topic, and then ranging in on those keywords that you're ranking for to create another popular video on that you know is going to do well. And this is a perfect example of that, how to grow your channel from 0 subs. So that is definitely something that I can look into. What else do we have here? We have tips for YouTube beginners, be another great one to do. We could also do something on another one here. How much I make on YouTube would be another great example. How to grow with 0 views and 0 subscribers would be another perfect example. Tips for starting a YouTube channel. YouTube for beginners. YouTube Beginner's Guide. So we can see here we've got multiple topic ideas that we can use to our advantage that we already know we're going to rank in YouTube search. So we already know that our efforts aren't going to be wasted. We're going to rank in YouTube search because we're already ranking for these keywords on a video that's only somewhat related to those particular topics. So we know that if we create a video that's actually on that particular keyword, and that is actually the title and the purpose of the video, we know it's going to rank for that keyword, and it's going to probably rank on very similar keywords, just like this video in front of us has done. So this is a great way to find out different keywords that you can use to create new videos on that you already know your popular videos are already doing well from, and you actually know that these videos will get recommended with this other popular video that you've already created, which means more views will be brought in through this already popular video, and you're going to rank in YouTube search because you're already ranking for these keywords. Right guys, that was showing you how you can use your YouTube analytics to get 400 views every single hour and have your YouTube channel work for you even when you sleep. This is a super simple strategy. All you need to do is pay attention to your YouTube analytics, see what videos are doing better than others, find out what keywords you're ranking for, and then create videos on those keywords. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and definitely go ahead and check out these other videos because I know you'll love those too, and I'll see you over there. Peace out.